Well, hello there people, welcome back to my channel. I am just fiddling around with my w210 E50 Amg. I got the Silver Wolf. You know, I'm a huge fan of detailing work and making my cars stand out a bit when it comes to how clean they are. The stuff that I really like to do is like getting the dirt off this one, getting these clean, even behind the wheel arches here, having that clean. On the underside of the car, maybe even take this off and clean it on the backside, so you know that the car is in good condition throughout and not just on the outside. So that is what I'm doing here, and I just wanted to show you a couple of small things that can improve the looks of your engine bay. So hang in there and see how it goes. So the areas that I'm talking about is basically these tight areas here. You really don't get at these areas with the microfiber cloths and stuff. You really have to either use a toothpick or whatever. But how I do it is basically use compressed air. It's an interior detailer cleaner. So I was just like doing like this, like that. And I also went over a bit like that. Like that. And that is actually enough. So now I have to clean it up again, just because I had to show you people. So yeah, look at it and check out this before picture, how it used to look like. And you tell me that this isn't a great way of improving the looks of your engine bay. That is basically all I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my future videos. So until then, have a great day. See ya.